Scoop it up. Wait, let me mash this over. Son, here, there you go. Let me mix. Mix it fast. This will whisk it fast. Now, here's the flour.
Yeah.
Go. Okay, put the vanilla in. Put the. Okay.
Yeah.
Everything is not yet. Baking soda. We put. Okay.
Now I do.
No, not yet. I think that's lemon juice.
Very down. No. Wait. Yay.
Mix it. So, I'll do it with you. Come on. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it. Mix. 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 Look, like this. Mix it. On the sides. Oh, this smells and looks very good. Keep it.
And it's
Don't eat it. Now a little bit more. Here. The avocado. This is just a little bit. Okay. Now let's try to do this.
Do with this one, Ada.
It's better with this one.
Ajuto.
Ada, Fasha. Okay. Once we did. You do it, but pull this level. Pull. Pull, Asha. Pull it. Yeah, no, you have to do it better. Okay. So I'm gonna get a scoop and I'm gonna help you. So it looks like mint chocolate chip. That's what it looks like. Okay. Now let's get the excess. Let's bake.
Yeah, big.
Go ready.
Mana 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 mana
12 muffins.
Can you count, Sunny? Sunny, can you count? Say 1, 2, 3, 4.
No more. No more space. Keep going.
Thank you. She said thank you. It's good.